Whoa.
Unbelievable stuff there from Jamal Rackins. Tranquila from the Philippines. Is it going to be 2 in a row for the...
Pagkatapos nga pong maubos sa mga pinagmamalaki natin mga boksingero sa palakasan na kung tawagin natin ay ang boxing, at kabila-kabila pa ang mga nagsisipagtalo nating mga kababayan sa kanilang mga bansang pinagdadayuhan, ay kaya naman po yung masasabi natin mga idol na aasa na po tayo ngayon dito sa mga bagong sibol nating mga kababayan. At sa video pong ito mga idol ay atin pong tatalakayin at kikilalanin ang isa sa mga prospect natin na pambato na malaki ang tsansa na maging isa talagang ganap na kampiyon sa hinarap. Pero mahaba-haba pang lakbayin po ito mga idol at sigurado na marami pang pagdaraanan itong ating kababayan. Ngayon mga idol dito sa modernong panahon ay nauso na ang pag-aalaga dito sa mga kartada ng mga boksingero na kung saan po ito ang inaakala nilang basihan sa pag-angat at pagkilala ng mga boksingero. At para maiwasan na madungisan ng malinis na kartada mga idol, ay kaya naman po kung saan-saan dumidilihensya ng mga mahihinang kalaban ng mga promoter para sa gayon nga hindi mawala ang kanyang gagatasan na boksingero. Pero kung minsan mga idol ay nasusulot din dahil sa maling pagpili nitong dapat na makalaban. Ito po ang ating itatampok sa ating video ngayon na kung saan po ang nakalaban nitong undefeated African boxer na si Landy ng Seke ay ang tubong Candoni Negros Occidental na si Dreamer J.R. Raquenel. Paglalabanan ng dalawa, ang bakanting WBO Intercontinental Super Flyweight title belt. Taglay-taglay nitong si Raquenel ang kartadang 12 panalo may 2 talo, 1 tabla at mayroong 10 na knockout sa kanyang 12 na ipanalo mga laban. At ito namang African boxer ay mayroong 9 na panalo 8 talo at mayroong 6 na knockout sa kanyang 9 na naipanalo mga laban. Ang laban ay ginanap doon sa bansang Afrika, kaya naman ay home crowd advantage agad ang kinalamang ng kalaban. Pero hindi po ito hadlang sa ating kababayan dahil sa inyo po kasing masasaksiyan sa kung gaano nga ba katindi ang Pinoy na ating kababayan. Sa unang round pa lamang mga idol ay literal na malalakas na kombinasyon po agad ang pinakawalan nitong si Raquenel para sa gayon nga ay makuha agad ang face ng laban. Dahil nga nasa lugar siya ng kanyang kalaban ay kaya naman hindi po uubra ang papetiks-petiks lamang na bitawan. Dahil sa maaring madaya kung hayaan itong si Raquenel na sa kamay ng mga hurado ipapadaan ang dapat nakalalabasan ng laban.
This is our last bout of the afternoon. Yeah, the last also the third of the Filipinos against South Africa. So far round it is 1 each. Down goes the South African Nike
Landili Manda Ngeki.
The referee said there was not a knockdown. Again, Brian, Southpaw versus Orthodox. And the South African much significantly taller than his opponent.
Yeah, and he's never lost, Peter. I mean, 10 fights and no losses. That's a good showing.
But one thing that we know, Brian, is that now these Filipinos have come here to fight. They've come here to fight. And there's Raquenel.
Well, we saw in our last fight, we saw Filipino win.
What is getting the South African, Brian? These are big, big punches coming from Raquenel. And he's the southpaw. He is definitely hitting Nike.
No, Nicky doesn't like it.
And I'm looking at his body, Brian. He looks dry, so he might not maybe be still didn't have a good warm-up. I can hardly see any sweat on his body, the South African Nike. So maybe he's been caught cold in the first round.
Well, we saw that earlier on as well, Pete, where a young man was cold and he warmed up and he still got knocked out.
Raquenel, it's not holding anything back, Brian. This is over 12 rounds. It is for the vacant WBO International Junior Bantamweight, over 12 rounds. And also for Brian, Junior Bantamweight, these guys look too big for Junior Bantamweight.
Yeah, they look pretty big, Pete.
They really look big.
It's amazing how big the guys are today in this weight division.
At this weight division, yes. Now Mike now starting to come out of his shell now. He was shaken at the beginning of the rounds.
Well, JR has showed that he's come to fight. There's no doubt about that.
And he's not also waiting to worry about now the rounds, 12 rounds. He says, I don't care 12 rounds or not, I'm going to start very, very fast. And
sa ikalawang round ay nakakuha na nitong si Raquel ang face ng laban na kung saan ay nagagawa na niyang bumato ng mga naglalakasang suntok sa kanyang kalaban. Gumaganti naman ang mga suntok ang Aprikano, kaya lamang ay nakuha na po kasi nitong ating kababayan ang tamang distansya sa paglalandingan ng kanyang mga suntok. Kaya naman ito ang naging dahilan kung bakit nakalalamang na sa laban itong ating kababayan.
yeah, that round going to Mikey with. Let's see, Brian, if Mikey has warmed up and he'll be able to do something. But one thing I can tell you, Brian, this fight here is not going to be the last fight now, where it was a bit quiet now for the first 6 rounds. The Filipino, Raquel.
So you got winning the first round.
Definitely won the first round, Brian. And now Mikey is trying to come back into the fight now, hoping to win the round number 2. He cannot afford to win the first 2 opening rounds in a row.
Well, he even looks the part. I must say, he looks very well conditioned, very focused. Is JR. Ranakile. Well, big,
Big right.
unbelievable stuff there from JR. Ranakile from the Philippines. Is it going to be 2 in a row for the Filipinos? Wow, every stuff here
Brian,
in London.
He's still very, very, very unsteady in his life. Let's see if he'll be finished and the referee chops in.
It's over. Well, the referee's trying to give him a chance, of course. Luma and Chai is a great
The
referee.
club is giving every chance.
The fight is over. Unbelievable stuff here in East London. 2 guys from the Philippines have come here and won in style.
Wow, Brian.
What can you say to that? And you know what's another great thing?
Yeah.
And it's not that I don't want South Africans to win.
Yes.
The Filipinos come here so many times. They're humble, good guys.
Yes.
And they lose.
And they lose, yes. Most of them coming up here
they
lose.
opponents.
Yes.
And today they came and they showed they're not just opponents.
Exactly. 3 of them.
They came to win.
Yes, 2-1 and then only 1 loss.
Yes.
But yes, what a great win for JR Raquel, stopping the South African.
Sadly to say, Battle of the Nations was won, but
Isang solidong diretsong kanang suntok ang binato nitong si Raquel na tuluyang tumapos ng laban. Sinubukan pa naman itong tagapaghatol na maligtas pa ang kanyang kababayang boksingero. Kaya lamang, hindi na po inayaan itong si Raquel na makasurvive pa ang Aprikanong kalaban dahil sa agad-agad niya na itong inundayan ng mga naglalakasang suntok na naging dahilan kung bakit nanalo by round 2 technical knockout ang ating kababayan.
Counter comes to an end in the second round, 1 minute and 41 seconds in. Your new WBO Intercontinental Junior Bantamweight Champion, JR Raquel, the Dreamer. Helping to hand over the belt is Regional Head Eastern Cape Spa, Mr. Theolo Dick, and Provincial Head F&B, Mr. Sandy.